my favourite Stonecake product, because I'm on the cutter, is the Tempest blade that I've recently been using. It's I've noticed it's a lot quicker, life seems very fast on it, and the cut is very clean and crispy out, tearing the bottom out of the material. Especially, like I say, regarding the speed as well. The speed's good.
My favourite tool has to be the diamond wheel. It's quite vicious, but it does its job, and it lasts a long time as well. So it's a value for money.
It's a Tempest blade. I think it's everybody's favourite tool now. It's quick, it lasts forever, it's quiet.
This is one of the best blades which we have so far. This is a very good blade. The quality is very good. I think it's a big improvement from the other models, and it's cutting very well and keep longer, and we don't see any damage on the blade or any diamonds to come off or burning signs. You know, it shows us big improvement and fasting in production in our cutting time as well. From all our suppliers, this is look like the best blade in the world for the moment. Yeah.